walk. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Kailangan huwag mawala sa pwesto. Kasi pagka wala sa pwesto, naglalakad kayo, yung kasunod ninyo, tutumba kayo, paksak yung kasi. Leader, sinabi ng leader, are you ready to kneel? Handa ba kayong lumuhod? Isang tuhod lang, at ang sagot ninyo, ready. Notification of order, ready to kneel. Sagot kayo, ready. Nakanya ulitin yung order na kneel. Yun yung narayin. Okay? Leader, sino leader? Tawag ko ang sa'yo. Alam mo yung buhay ba? Para pag may emergency, magpuntuwa pa kayo. Alright. Are you ready to kneel? Order. Picture. Okay. Load. Okay. Are you ready to kneel?
Are you ready to kneel?
Ready.
Kneel.
Are you ready to insert?
Insert.
Insert.
Are you ready to insert?
Ready.
Nakasya ready.
Ready. Ready.
Insert.
Insert.
Pasok.
Ayan, meron yan.
Oh, ano mo buhat yan, ha? Okay, pasok na.
Bigat na yun.
Yung bewa, yung tigli, yung dibdib, yung ulo. Okay. Okay, are you ready to load?
Are you ready to load?
Ready.
Ready ulit. Are you ready to load?
Are you ready to load?
Ready.
Load.
Load, karga lang sa tuhod. Karga. Load. Buhat. Karga. Load na tatayo. Ulit, ulit, ulit. Karga lang sa tuhod. Pahinga sa tuhod para ma-adjust nyo yung mamay. Ulit, ulit. Are you ready to insert? Walang tatawa kasi nababawasan ang takas nyo. Are you ready to insert?
Are you ready to insert?
Ready.
Insert.
Walang tatayo.
Are you ready to load?
Ready.
Load.
Hinga malalim. Hinga malalim. Karga sa tuhod. Hindi kaya.
Dapat yung medyo payat.
Balik.
Yung medyo payat sana. Bigat kasi yun.
Okay, dito ka. Okay, order. Are you ready to kneel?
Are you ready to kneel?
Ready.
Kneel.
Are you ready to insert?
Are you ready to insert?
Ready.
Insert.
Okay, kayo po. Pero okay, huwag niyo mag-pagkagay na. Nakamay mo siya na sa tiyan. Gano'n sa tiyan.
Patient.
Oh, baba mo. Okay. Are you ready to load?
Are you ready to load?
Ready.
Load.
Karga sa tuhod, wala tatayo. Sige, karga! Alright, very good. Are you ready to lead? Tatayo kayo.
Are you ready to lift?
Ready.
Lift.
Are you ready to lead?
Are you ready to lift? Ready.
Lead! Okay. Kasi hindi nyo siya pwede i-travel na nakaganyan kayo dahil yung weight nasa kabila. Okay. Are you ready to unlead?
Are you ready to unlift?
Ready?
Ready.
Unlead. Are you ready to kneel?
Are you ready to kneel?
Ready.
Kneel. Are you ready to unload?
Are you ready to unload?
Ready.
Load.
Very good.